Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in content marketing and mastering the content channels, we'll discuss about white papers. What are white papers, how white papers will help you in content marketing, and what are the tips that you can think of implementing as far as creating white papers are concerned. Let's get started with it. What are white papers in the first place? White papers are authoritative reports created to raise a complex issue and provide an in-depth analysis and solution to the issue raised. That is a white paper. White paper is an authoritative report that actually discusses, raises a complex issue and provides an in-depth analysis and solution. That is a white paper, and white papers play a very important role as far as disseminating quality information, raising a topic, raising an issue, providing in-depth analysis and providing a solution all in one document. That is a white paper, and white paper help a lot in content marketing. White papers are created to raise an issue, offer a solution, educate with an objective to take informed decisions. Lot of people are trying to find solutions to a problem. Different industries, different sectors, different geographies, different locations, and different people are finding different subjects and solution to a particular problem in multiple subjects, and they can actually benefit immensely from the kind of solution that you can provide as far as a white paper is concerned. If you are an expert in a particular subject, if you can identify a problem that is actually creating a lot of problems for the users and they want a solution to it, create a white paper, disseminate across multiple channels, you will be considered an authority in that particular subject because you have provided a solution in a particular niche or a sector. How white papers will help you in content marketing? White papers establishes you as an authority. You create a problem, you have a problem, you have find a problem, you actually provided a solution to the problem, and you are actually considered a authority in that particular industry or a niche because you have identified a problem and you have provided a solution to that particular problem, and that is what white paper will do for you. You will be considered an expert in the niche, most important point, because you have identified a problem and you have provided a solution and you have also told how this problem can be solved. Spreads expertise and builds a brand image for you. Helps in building a mailing list. People read the white papers and they can actually interact and engage with you. They will subscribe to your mailing list because they want more and more information for you because you are an authority, you will be considered as an expert. Generates leads. The more the mailing list, the opt-in data, the more the leads. Increases social media presence. People will actually like you on social media, that is Twitter or LinkedIn or on Facebook. The more the engagement with more the users. Generates trust, loyalty and credibility in the market for you. Trust, loyalty and credibility are key factors to be considered as an expert author or authority in a particular subject, and that is actually will help you in driving conversions. Best practices you can think of implementing. White papers are considered a good content marketing strategy. Besides from the lot of activities that you do of content writing, blogs or case studies, a lot of other activities, white papers play a very important role. Identify and research extensively on the topic that you do. Introduction, problem, solution, why this solution and conclusion. That should be the step-by-step process of how actually you go about writing a white paper. Give an introduction, raise a problem and provide a solution to that problem and why this solution will work and the conclusion. If you provide the step-by-step process, that will actually help you a lot. Use images, graphics, charts, diagrams and tables. In between the content, when you are raising a problem and providing a solution, go on using images, graphics, charts extensively. Mention third-party sources, industry reports. If you are taking some statistical analysis or data from external sources, you have to mention those sources. Industry reports, if you are using industry reports, where you got that information, mention clearly the third-party sources. more benefits than features. Write a lot of benefits out of the solution that you are providing to a particular solution. Length can be 4 pages to 25 pages depending upon the topic that you have raised, depending upon the problem that you are discussing about, and depending upon the solution you are providing. It can be anything between 4 pages to 25 pages. Avoid direct selling. Avoid direct selling in your white paper, because you have created a white paper to identify the problem and providing a solution. Don't do any direct selling. Put up your credentials, who you are, what you are doing, how you are doing, your services, solution, but no direct selling in your white paper. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what are white papers, how white papers help in content marketing, and white paper creating best practices. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.